What's up, everyone? Remember I promised to make a leave-in conditioner? So I went ahead and measured out all of my ingredients before coming on camera. I'm gonna start off with my water phase. So in here I have 300 grams of distilled water. Over here I have 137.5 grams of aloe vera juice. Okay? So over here I have 20 grams of vegetable glycerin in here, and I also have 2.5 grams of guar gum. So before I do, I'm gonna mix my guar gum and my vegetable glycerin. Now that my glycerin have been mixed like I wanted to, I am going to be taking my glycerin and putting it into my water phase. Okay? Guys, I've been on YouTube a little over a year now. I'm still struggling with talking. And all of that, I keep saying okay, okay guys, like y'all need to get me. Y'all need to get me. I'm gonna try to get back on schedule because I feel like I'm slipping off. I'm not like before wherein I was posting 2 videos per week. So guys, and I miss doing that, but I got so much on my plate right now. I cannot even do twice a week, like I'm telling you. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna take my aloe vera juice and put it into my water phase. So let's put this to the side, and let me tell you what all I have in here. So 7.5 grams of castor oil, 7.5 grams of avocado oil, 20 grams of BTMS 25, 5 grams of cetyl alcohol, and 5 grams of coconut oil. So this is my oil phase. I'm gonna be heating both my oil phase and my water phase together. I've already measured out my cool down phase. So in here, I have my liquid German Plus, which is my preservative, and I have my vitamin E oil, and I also have my fragrance oil. So these 3 are my cool down phase. Okay? Let's put it right here and just wait for our oil and water phase to heat up to the right temperature, and we will be right back. My oil phase have been heated properly. This is how it's looking. And I'm gonna grab my water phase. It have been heated as well. Okay guys, I believe I have to use my immersion blender. Okay, that's it. I'm okay with it now. It was looking like it was separating, and I know it'll come together, but you can't be too sure. So it's gonna get thick over time. It's not gonna get thick right away because it's still at the cool down phase. So it's still cooling down and all of that. So technically you can stop right here if you want. Just add your preservative or so. We are back. Let's take this bad boy over and see. Oh, can you see this? Do you see how thick this is? So yeah, let me take the temperature again. Okay, it's at a perfect place to add the rest of everything in here, okay? So I'm going to be adding my preservative first. I'm going to leave all of the measurements in the description. I remember at one point in time when I needed to start a YouTube, I never used to use measurements. I used to measure, but I never used to leave the recipe down, and I used to get so much questions about what's the measurement. That was funny. I used to be like, oh my God, I don't even know how much butter did I use. Like, I wasn't measuring anything, basically. I was just using what I wanted to use, and that's it. But I'm so proud of how far I've come, and I'm grateful to God first and to you guys, because without you I wouldn't be here. So the next thing I'm gonna be adding in here would be my vitamin E oil, okay? I'm gonna put it in here like so. It'll be my fragrance oil. Ooh, so guys, we already know the drill, right? My jars are already washed and sanitized per usual. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna put my lid on like so. So which one of this label do we want to put on here? Of the first one. And try on. If I don't like it, you already know I'm taking it out. But this is it, guys. This is how I make my leave-in conditioner. So if you are interested in recreating this, I'm gonna be leaving all of the measurement and the ingredients in my description bar. Guys, recreate this. You will definitely fall in love with this. The smell, like, I am so hungry right now. I just want to eat this conditioner, but it's not edible. So I'm shit out of luck. I just have to find something sweet to eat now. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you as usual, and until next time, God bless. Bye bye.